I'm Rachel Blanchard with Argo Lehne Jewelers, and this is a UA Business Spotlight. What's beautiful about walking into Argo Lehne is it's very warm and welcoming. So we want everyone to feel like they're family here. As we are a family-run business, we want the customer to feel that same way. So we take every single person with the same type of respect.
I'm Robert Argo. I'm the third generation of Argo in Argo and Lehne. My daughter Ava is our jeweler. My father, William Argo, opened our first Kingsdale location in 1959 and also bought the Harrington Company at the same time, which goes back to 1866. My grandfather immigrated from Scotland in 1902 and set up in Columbus because his father told him it was a good location because of industry, government, and the university here. And so he came to work for a man named Mr. Bancroft. He worked for him from 1902 to 1924. And then he started Argo Lehne Jewelers with Mr. Lehne.
So we have quite a large collection of vintage pieces here. So we buy, broker, and consign. So we have multiple different ways to obtain these beautiful items, and it gives us a wide variety. We have certified gemologists, we have certified appraisers, we have bench jewelers on staff. So coupling that up with decades of experience, I do think that we provide an exceptional service.
My experience is now, especially in the last decade, there are jewelers that sell jewelry, and there are jewelers that sell experience, relationship, trust, and people, I think, choose us because of the experience they have here, because we're customer-centric, not transactional.
Some of the services that we offer here at Argo Lehne go beyond estate and custom pieces. We can do special orders, we do engravings, we do watch services and full repairs and restorations of heirloom quality pieces as well. And then we also like to showcase a local artist quarterly. So someone from our UA community, we will introduce them into our space, showcase all of their pieces.
I think that we'll continue to adapt and evolve and meet our customers' needs. And as long as we take care of our customer, I think they'll take care of us.
People will come long and far just to come see us. They know our history, they know our story, they know our quality, and it happens often because of all the different generations that have come here. So they've known that we are a trustworthy place to go to.